Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Chipmunk Beauty, and I'm back with another video on these lovely super long faux locs. I don't know why I wanted them, but I just like, you know what, it's winter. I don't want to wear any wigs. I'm not trying to keep my hair out because that's too much maintenance. So I tried this new method. I was just watching a whole bunch of like YouTube videos, and I like pulled bits and pieces from each video and kind of like, I didn't come up with this method, but kind of did, but you know, but I really like the way they came out. If you haven't, go check out my first faux loc video. I'll link it through the video, and I'll have it here on this side of the screen at the end. So when that time comes, make sure you go check it out. But let's get into this one right now. So if you would like to see how I did my extra long, just extra in general faux locs, stay tuned and keep watching. Bye. And one more thing before I get started with the video, I will link all the products that I use, the hair, everything will be linked in the description box below if you would like to try this method, purchase the hair, purchase all the products that I use. I will be linking everything down below. So don't forget to subscribe either, because I need those. So please subscribe to my channel. Please give this video and all my other videos a big thumbs up. Excuse me. That would help a lot. Please share this video. You know, all that, just, you know, support me. I'll support back, no problem with that. So yeah, now I'm done. Peace. When you starting this style, ooh, I'll see that I'm gonna have to cut that out. But I started this whole style on like freshly washed and blow dried hair, and I sectioned my whole head off and braided it like this. And I'm going to grab curly hair right here. Now let me show you what the packaging is like. It's the free tress braid in deep wave, and I use the I have some burgundy tips, and then I have some black tips like this. And you're also going to need some Marley hair, and this is the hair that I'm using in 1B. Everything will be linked in the description box below. You're also going to need a crochet needle and some nail glue. So the first thing you're going to want to do is close the latch and stick it through the base of the braid, just like this. You're going to take your curly piece first. Ooh, it's a little messy, but that's okay. And you're going to take a short end like this and make a small hoop like this, and you're going to latch it on to the crochet needle, and you're going to close it, and you're just going to pull it through and pull the short end through. Okay, and then you're going to match it with the braid and just make sure that it's the same length. I want mine's pretty long, so I left the other end, let it just hang. And you're going to do the same thing again, but the second time you're going to take a piece of the Marley hair and do the same thing and pull it through. Okay, and you grab the braid, the long piece of hair, and the two short ends, and you're going to take the long piece of the Marley hair, wrap at the base 4 to 5 times. And then you're just going to continue to wrap downwards, holding it tight and trying to keep the hair as flat as possible. You want to keep the hair as flat as possible. once you have about this much left, you're gonna add a second piece of Marley hair. Take a shorter end and face it downward, pinching the small end too, because you want to keep some of that thickness on the bottom end. And you're just going to wrap directly over 2 times and begin wrapping downwards, like all the way down. Because I want mine's pretty long, but if you like yours this length, you can stop here, but I want mine super duper long. So I'm gonna keep wrapping. Okay, so when you have this much left, you're going to start wrapping upwards, back upwards, so it won't unravel on you. And I will be taking some Kiss nail glue, and I like this tip because it's not as messy as the other ones. And I'm just going to put some glue on the ends and just wrap it around. And then I'm going to add some more glue after I have wrapped it, just a little bit to seal everything off. I'm going to palm roll the end so the glue gets everywhere it needs to be, and let it go. And that is a faux lock. And I'm going to have one more. Also, if this happens to you, that's okay. It's already secure. You can just go ahead and snip the ends, because that's what I'm gonna do. But I'll finish the last one, probably film the outro or like the end some other day, because I look a little crusty right now. But yeah, that's it. Hey, so you guys, I am back, and I got my edges on, got the decorations on. So this is pretty much how the method I did came out this time. If you've seen the first video, you see that they're a bit more natural looking, and these are smaller in size and they're a bit tighter. So I do recommend doing this method. If you do try this method, please tag me on social media. All my links will be in the description box of where you can follow me at and everything. So if you try this method, please let me know, because I'd love to see how it worked for you. But this is how it worked for me. Let me show you the length of the hair. So this is the length of the hair. I'd say mid-thigh. It reaches. Bring the hair to the front. So this is what we're looking at, and the curls are still cute. They're long, they're lightweight, they're easy to tie up at night. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please give this video a big thumbs up and turn the bell notification on so you will be notified when I post, because I will have a lot more content coming up this month. I'm not gonna get into that right now, but you will see. Follow me on social media so you will be updated, because I will post, like, you know, video coming up, stuff like that. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and go ahead and watch some of my other videos. I will link the other vlog video right here. hit that subscribe button right here. So yeah, see ya. Thanks for watching.